I know how frustrating it can be to pick the right flooring, especially when you want something waterproof. I've tested 5 top products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Here's a deep dive into what makes these waterproof flooring options worth your investment. Product number 1, 2SIA Waterproof Sealing Caulk Tape. This 2SIA waterproof sealing caulk tape is a game changer when it comes to sealing those pesky gaps in my bathroom and kitchen. I remember the first time I used it, I had a small leak around my kitchen sink that always seemed to cause chaos. I bought this tape for $9.99, hoping it would do the trick. Upon opening the package, I noticed the tape was white and came in a generous 10.5 feet long strip. The beauty of it is in its simplicity. It has a crease in the middle, allowing for easy folding and application. I just peeled back the backing and pressed it down into place. It adhered perfectly to the smooth tile surface of my countertop. The instructions suggest cleaning the surface first, which I did, and the tape sealed nicely without any bubbles or gaps. After installation, I appreciated how clean and professional it looked. You wouldn't even know it was a DIY project. Now, the pros and cons. On the positive side, it's very easy to use, and I found it to be quite flexible, allowing me to mold it into corners and around appliances without any hassle. Product number 2, B-Max Gym Mats Set. When I first saw the B-Max Gym Mat Set priced at $29.99, I was intrigued. The thought of 18 interlocking foam floor tiles sounded perfect for my home workout space, which was currently just a bare floor. Upon receiving them, I was impressed by the anthracite color. They are not only stylish, but also designed to provide a cushioned surface that protects against impact. During my first workout, I noticed the anti-slip feature made a significant difference. I was able to perform exercises without worrying about slipping or losing my footing. The mats are lightweight, which made them easy to move around and customize the layout based on my workout needs. I loved how they could absorb noise effectively, allowing me to work out without disturbing others in the house. Now, let's talk pros and cons. The pros include the ease of installation. I just laid them down like a puzzle and they fit together seamlessly. They're also thick enough to prevent discomfort from exercising on a hard surface. Product number 3, Nexus Self-Adhesive Vinyl Floor Tiles. The Nexus Self-Adhesive Vinyl Floor Tiles caught my attention at a price of $20.10 for a pack of 20 tiles. I had been wanting to refresh my kitchen floor without the hassle of messy installations. These tiles promised a simple peel and stick application, which sounded perfect for my DIY project. I can't stress enough how easy it was to transform my kitchen. I simply peeled each tile and stuck them down onto my clean, dry floor. The Bianco marble pattern gave the space an elegant look, and the semi-gloss finish added a nice touch. I appreciated how lightweight and easy to handle they were. Even my kids could help out. As I laid them down, I noticed that they adhered well without any bubbles or lifting edges. Now onto the pros and cons. The tiles are not only visually appealing, but also durable. They are resistant to scratches and spills, making them ideal for a kitchen setting. However, one downside is that you need to ensure your subfloor is perfectly flat. Any imperfections can show through. Why buy it? If you're looking for an affordable and stylish way to update your floors, these vinyl tiles are a fantastic choice. They transform any space in just a few hours with minimal effort. Product number 4, Art 3D Peel and Stick Floor Tile Vinyl Wood Plank. I recently bought the Art 3D Peel and Stick Floor Tile Vinyl Wood Plank for $62.99, and I have to say, it exceeded my expectations. I was looking for a quick flooring solution for my living room that mimicked the look of real wood but didn't require a professional installation. The deep gray color was just what I was looking for to modernize my space. As I opened the box, the tiles felt robust yet surprisingly lightweight. Installation was a breeze. I simply peeled and stuck them down. The rigid surface is truly impressive, and I loved that they are 100% waterproof, which was important for my family with kids and pets. After installing them, I noticed they not only looked great, but felt warm underfoot. The texture mimics wood grain beautifully, adding a touch of elegance to my room. Now, the pros and cons. The ease of installation is a major pro. I didn't need any special tools or extra adhesives. They also hold up remarkably well against wear and tear. However, if you have a larger area to cover, the price might add up quickly. Why buy it? If you want a stylish and practical flooring solution that's easy to install and maintain, these vinyl planks are a fantastic investment. Product number 5. Wood grain peel and stick floor tiles. The wood grain peel and stick floor tiles, priced at $18.99, are an exciting addition to my home renovation project. I loved the idea of a roll rather than individual tiles, as it promised easier application and less waste. When I received it, I was impressed by the gray color that would complement my decor perfectly. The roll format made it super easy to handle. I could cut off the exact length I needed and store the rest for later. Installation was a walk in the park. I simply peeled off the backing and pressed it onto the floor. The self-adhesive nature made sure it was secure without any fuss. The waterproof feature is a lifesaver, especially with kids around. I spilled juice on it and it wiped up without any issues. Now, onto the pros and cons. The double width of these tiles means fewer seams and a more seamless appearance on my floor. They are durable and have held up well against daily wear. On the downside, if your floor is not perfectly smooth, you might see bumps under the tiles. Why buy it? If you want a versatile and user-friendly flooring solution that adapts to your needs, these peel and stick tiles are a fantastic option that won't break the bank. In conclusion, if you're looking for reliable, waterproof flooring options, these 5 products offer a great mix of style, durability, and ease of installation. Whether you're renovating a kitchen or setting up a home gym, each of these products brings something unique to the table. Choose the one that fits your needs best, and you won't be disappointed.